Hi boys and girls, it is time for math, and today we have something super fun. So first we're going to remember something that we've done before. Remember with our shapes, we learned about their attributes. We talked about how many sides they had, how many points they had, what color they were, what size, if they were large, medium, or small, if they were thick or thin. And the attributes are things that describe how our shape looked, right?
Yep.
So today we're just going to practice those attributes, but we're going to use it on other things other than shapes, because we've done that a few times. But now we're going to talk about describing people, animals. You'll see your worksheet. And so we're going to get started. And Miss Barrett and I are going to play the game, Guess Who? So if you have this game, it would be really fun to play at home.
Yep.
But you can listen to us play because we're going to talk about the attributes of people. And so how we play is we have mystery people on our boards. We each pick a different person. And so I'm going to ask her questions to describe the attributes of her person. And she's going to ask me questions to describe the attributes of my person.
That's right.
And we're going to see if we can guess who each other's person is. Everybody got it? Okay, it's going to be fun. So let's just go ahead. All right, Miss Barrett, would you like to go first?
Okay. Does your person wear a hat?
My person does not wear a hat.
Okay.
Does your person have yellow hair?
No.
Okay. So when you see us doing this, that means we're closing off the other possibilities. We're taking away the attributes that our person does not have.
All right, Mrs. Rogers, does your person have orange hair?
No, my person does not have orange hair.
Okay.
Does your person wear glasses?
My person does wear glasses.
Ooh. Ooh. My person has glasses. Oh, one more. Okay.
Okay. Does your person have black hair?
Yes.
Okay.
Is your person a girl?
Yes, my person is a girl.
Okay.
Is your person a boy?
Yes. Does your person wear a hat?
Yes. Is your
Yep.
person number 9?
Yes. Is your person number 5?
Yes.
See, we were able to guess each other's person
By the attributes.
by
Yes.
their attributes, by the way that they looked different. Because everybody has different attributes. So, super fun. If you guys have this at home, you can play it. If you don't, that's okay too. All right, let's get to our work in our packet. And thank you, Miss Barrett. That was super fun. Okay, so we have a paper of farm animals. And it looks like a graph, like we have done a graph before, but it's not that. Today we're just looking at the attributes. And on the bottom, on the next page, I already cut mine up, but you will see a page that has all these different squares that have just different attributes about the animals on the squares. And so we're going to sort out the attributes and put them with each animal. So we know how to describe, we know the things about each animal. So the first one I have in my stack, it says run, and there's a picture of a horse running. And so we're just going to glue that as an attribute for the horse because horses can run really fast and they like to run. Okay, and then my next one is, I'm going to mix them up a little. It says mud. Which one of these animals do you think likes to play in the mud? Ah, you were right, a pig. So we're going to give pig the attribute of mud. And my next square is a beak. A beak, like a bird has a beak. Which one of these animals has a beak? You were right, a hen, a chicken. So you will put the beak under the chicken. All right, so my next attribute, it says hooves. So which of these animals has hooves? And it shows a picture and they look like horse hooves. So that is an attribute of my horse. I just dropped a piece, but that's okay. We're going to keep going. I'm going to mix mine up a little bit more. Ooh, I have an attribute here that says a shepherd. It shows a shepherd with a dog. And what animal has a shepherd? You are right. A sheep has a shepherd. And so we are going to put that attribute on our sheep. And, oh, I have an attribute of an animal saying oink. What animal says oink? You are right. A pig says oink. Cow is feeling left out over here. He doesn't have any attributes yet. How about, oh, we have a piglet, a baby pig. Oh, and that, so that is an attribute of a pig. We filled up the pig. So let's see if we could do a couple more. Ooh, a calf. Which animal's baby is called a calf? You are right, a cow's baby has a calf. And I am going to stop right there, but I would like you to continue and fill out all of the attributes of the animals. Look at the ways that the animal is described. And then we'll go to our next two papers. And now these are things just for practice. It says home links, so these are things that if we were at school, you would be taking them home to practice what we learned at school. And the first one is called reading the calendar. And the calendar, you look at different attributes of the calendar. How many days are in this month? So you can count the days, you can look at the number. It says March, and so 31 days are in March. How many Wednesdays are in the month? Wednesdays, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Wednesdays in that March. Fridays, Sundays. What day of the week is on the 1st? So you look at the first day on the calendar. It is a Tuesday. So go through this in practice because it'll help you look for the attributes, the different ways to describe the calendar. And then our last paper, and this one is just for fun, and you probably recognize it, is the Monster Squeeze game. We have played this before in class, but our monsters were really big and our numbers were really big. But since they couldn't send home the big ones, we have a small one, and you could play this at home, and there's numbers 1 through 10. If you want, you can make bigger numbers. You can make 10 through 20. You can make 20 through 30. The rules are right here, so you could explain it to your family, and you can play Monster Squeeze to practice your numbers. Okay, boys and girls, have fun with your attributes.